folks, I have a tenor to show you today. This is a tenor for a repeat customer, and it's number 839. And it's got some pretty cool woods on it. The top is Juniper. That comes from Eastern Oregon. And I got some from Chris from the D Mill a few years ago. And I've never found any other Juniper with tight grain, tight straight grain like this, so it's pretty special. And I love the sapwood stripes on it. It's really cool. And I think that the Juniper sounds kind of like louder than Western Red Cedar, but darker than spruce. It's got its own vibe. It sounds a little more woodsy to me than Porterford Cedar does. It kind of sounds like mushrooms taste, I think. And the back and sides are Chinquapin. I believe this is giant Chinquapin or golden Chinquapin. It's a West Coast wood. There's an East Coast Chinquapin that's not related. This is a kind of oak. And it feels like a combo between oak and mahogany. It's really cool. I got this stuff from a boat builder who gave me a plank of it. I like the end graft on this one too. So it's like two really unique woods I don't usually use very much, and together it just feels good to hear something different. Feels really nice. It's got walnut binding, walnut bridge, fretboard, and head plate. That's all walnut from a local tree that I dealt with. And then the neck is some Porterford cedar with walnut. And I wanted to pick this Porterford cedar to match the sapwood of the Juniper, so. Yeah, it just feels good in my lap. I'm really pleased with it. Yeah, so number 839, ready to go. And I do have more of this Chinquapin. I think it's a really great wood that I'm excited to do more with, so drop me a line if you want some. Cheers.